Recently, BYD has attracted significant attention in the global automotive technology arena by announcing its revolutionary solid-state battery technology. With the launch of this new battery, the future of electric vehicles appears even brighter. Reports indicate that this solid-state battery not only charges fully in 10 minutes but also boasts a lifespan of over 15 years and an energy density of 500 watt-hours per kilogram, offering unprecedented safety and durability. This innovation not only opens new doors for the rapid development of the EV industry, but also brings great hope for global environmental protection and energy transformation. In recent years, the adoption of electric vehicles has faced several major hurdles, the most notable being charging speed and driving range. Although current lithium batteries have partially addressed these issues, prolonged charging times and limited range remain key concerns for consumers considering EVs. BYD's solid-state battery could fundamentally upend these conventional perceptions, redefining the future of electric vehicles. BYD's solid-state battery utilizes a solid electrolyte, distinguishing it from traditional lithium batteries that employ liquid electrolytes. The use of a solid electrolyte not only stabilizes the battery but also significantly enhances its safety. Liquid electrolytes in conventional lithium batteries are highly flammable and can lead to fires or chemical leaks during accidents, posing a major risk to consumers. In contrast, BYD's solid-state electrolyte completely eliminates these hazards, avoiding the risks of fire and chemical leakage. Moreover, the solid electrolyte improves the battery's thermal stability, ensuring optimal performance even under extreme climatic conditions. Whether in high temperatures or in the severe cold of the Arctic, the battery operates seamlessly. Another notable advantage of solid-state batteries is the extended lifespan. In traditional lithium batteries, lithium ions tend to form dendrites during charge and discharge cycles, which can damage the internal structure and shorten the battery's life. BYD's solid-state battery, through optimized electrode design, avoids dendrite formation, thereby significantly prolonging its lifespan. According to BYD, even after 6,000 charge cycles, the battery still retains 80% of its capacity, a performance that far exceeds that of conventional lithium batteries. One of the most remarkable features of BYD's solid-state battery is its astonishing 10-minute fast charging capability, a charging speed that breaks through the traditional bottlenecks of the EV industry. In the past, despite the increasing number of charging stations, the charging time remained one of the major obstacles for consumers shifting to electric vehicles. BYD's battery not only achieves a full charge in 10 minutes, but it also does so faster than refueling a conventional vehicle, greatly enhancing the driving experience. Based on BYD's test results, a 10-minute charge can provide approximately 200 kilometers of range, meaning that in just 10 minutes, consumers can meet the demands of daily commuting or long-distance travel. In terms of energy density, BYD's solid-state battery also shows significant advantages. BYD states that the battery's energy density reaches 500 watt-hours per kilogram, representing a 40% to 50% improvement over existing lithium batteries. Higher energy density means that more energy can be stored in the same volume and weight, significantly increasing the EV's range. For instance, in BYD's latest electric vehicle, this battery can provide a range of over 700 kilometers, completely dispelling consumer concerns about the limited range of electric vehicles. China's position in the global battery market is rapidly rising, especially in the electric vehicle sector. Not only is China the world's largest EV producer, but it is also the largest battery producer globally. According to industry reports, China's battery production capacity accounts for approximately 70% of the global market, and it leads in technological innovation and supply chain integration. China is not only at the forefront of battery manufacturing and design but also dominates the extraction and processing of many battery raw materials, giving it an unparalleled advantage in the global battery industry. With continued national policy support and the rapid development of the EV industry, China has become the core hub of the global battery supply chain. As an important representative of China's automotive battery industry, BYD has fully leveraged the advantages of China's industrial chain to quickly gain a dominant position in the global market. The company has achieved significant market share domestically, and its products are also exported worldwide, showing strong competitiveness in markets such as Europe and the United States. Through continuous innovation, BYD has developed battery products with high energy efficiency, long lifespan, and enhanced safety, providing reliable power systems for global EV manufacturers and further consolidating its leadership in the international market. BYD's success is not solely due to continuous technological innovation but also to its strong supply chain capabilities and full vertical integration of the industrial chain. Unlike many battery manufacturers, BYD controls the entire process, from battery materials, production equipment, and technology research and development to the final manufacturing and sales of the batteries. This vertical integration provides BYD with unparalleled advantages in production, quality control, and cost management, enabling it to push solid-state battery technology to the forefront of the global market more efficiently. In addition, BYD continues to increase its investment in research and development, ensuring that its technology remains at the cutting edge of global battery innovation. BYD's solid-state battery not only addresses charging speed and range issues, but also makes significant contributions to environmental protection and sustainable development. Traditional lithium batteries require replacement and recycling after their service life, a process that often generates significant electronic waste and environmental pollution. By extending battery life and reducing replacement frequency, BYD's solid-state battery minimizes the generation of electronic waste, thereby alleviating the environmental burden. Furthermore, with the widespread adoption of electric vehicles and solid-state batteries, a reduction in global carbon emissions becomes possible. BYD predicts that if EV penetration reaches 50% worldwide, global greenhouse gas emissions could be reduced by approximately 150 million tons by 2030, equivalent to the emissions of 150 million gasoline vehicles. This projection undoubtedly offers a new solution for global climate change mitigation. Despite the enormous potential of BYD's solid-state battery technology, there remain challenges in its widespread adoption. Firstly, the production cost of solid-state batteries is currently higher than that of conventional lithium batteries, which may exert pricing pressure in the initial market stages. Nevertheless, BYD is working to reduce costs through its robust R&D capabilities and extensive production experience. It is anticipated that as production scales up and the technology matures, the cost of solid-state batteries will drop significantly in the coming years, ultimately achieving mass market adoption. Another challenge lies in upgrading the charging infrastructure. Although BYD's solid-state battery supports 10-minute fast charging, the current network of charging stations and grid systems may not yet be sufficient to support such ultra-fast charging speeds. Therefore, a global upgrade of EV charging infrastructure is on the horizon. With the growing popularity of electric vehicles, increasing investments will be made in charging networks and infrastructure, ensuring the widespread application of fast charging technology. However, with growing global environmental concerns, supportive policies, and market demand, the future of electric vehicles and solid-state batteries is undoubtedly full of opportunities. BYD has already established a global presence and possesses strong technological and production capabilities. Once the current challenges are overcome, this technology is set to transform the global automotive industry and even the entire energy sector in the near future. BYD's solid-state battery technology is more than just a breakthrough in the EV industry. It represents a new beginning for the energy revolution. With this technology, electric vehicles will no longer be seen solely as a solution for short trips but as a mainstream competitor to traditional fuel-powered cars. Faster charging, longer range, enhanced safety, and reduced environmental impact make electric vehicles an inevitable direction for the future development of the global automotive industry. Whether you are an EV enthusiast or a consumer interested in sustainable technology, BYD's solid-state battery technology is worth your attention. It not only redefines your perception of electric vehicles but also has the potential to drive a global transformation of the energy structure. With continuous advancements in technology and gradual cost reductions, electric vehicles will no longer be a niche choice but a widely adopted alternative worldwide. The EVs of the future will be smarter, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly, meeting our expectations for sustainable development.